Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. In today's video I'm working on PlayStation 3 Fat, and as you can see, so the thing is, it would not eject the disc. Okay, you push on it, nothing happens. Okay, it does turn on here, but it does not eject the disc. So what you gotta do, it may not be the problem with yours, but at least you can check and see if that's the issue. So here's the thing, there's like this seal that says like a warranty seal, so you gotta take it off like that, and there will be like a bolt, this kind of bolt. Okay, you remove that, and then you just slide this way like that and remove it. Okay, you remove this, and then you will have like 7 bolts here where the arrows are. Okay, this one is a little bit different, smaller one, but all the rest are the same. Okay, they're like this big, and one is smaller that goes over here. So then there will be like a small, then you would just, yeah, after you remove this one here, this that holds over there, just press on it like that, this way. Okay, inside, and then you can just go ahead and remove it like that. And once you remove that, you can see this, it's rusted. Okay, and what it does is it actually it's like a finger sensitive or something. So as you can see, it's working, and that's the power on. And it's actually working. We were able to remove the disc. Okay, check this out. You see? So what we need to do, we will definitely use like a blower or anything like that to clean all this dust, and of course use some kind of sandpaper to get them clean like this. Okay, and then it will work. Okay, so to clean the contact, like as you can see, I already cleaned here. I'm using just, this is for nails. You can probably get it at a dollar store. So okay, so now it's clean. Now we can go ahead and try to put it on and see if it actually helps. Okay, so I put it on, and as you can see, it doesn't work. This button does work. I inserted the disc, but this does not work. Okay, I removed the cover again. I press this. You see, you just touch it, opens. So we gotta work on it more. There's got to be something else. I'm thinking that This could be rusty like on the bottom there too, so it does not feel all this stuff. So let's do that. Okay guys, so it was probably not the rust, because on that side I'm gonna show you it's not as rusty, but as you can see now it works. Okay, and this one works as well, you see. So what I did was these pins right here, you can actually see them on like from the side. So I unbent them, just brought them up like this one. You can bring it up from here, and as well as from the back to unfold them. Trying to get it as close as possible. Okay, like this. And it started working. So I guess it was not touching this contact here. And as I showed you, the rust was like right here, right? I mean, there was some, just a little bit from here. But this is where it's actually touching, because I've seen like this spot right here and right there. And if I put it back, logically, it's like all the way from the back. So just make sure you unfold these like that, like from the bottom here, just in case, both of them, because they over time do get bent. And what I'm gonna do now is, you can use some dust blowing to clean it off and then put everything back, and that's it. So if this video was helpful guys, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.